Welcome to another video tutorial on how to use Fluvid. In this video, we will be exploring a new feature that has been recently added for Fluvid Pro users, and that is, this feature enables you to directly upload your Fluvid video to Facebook page. Earlier, we have already recorded videos on how to upload Fluvid video directly to YouTube and Twitch. You can check our earlier videos. Now to explore this feature, let's log into our Fluvid dashboard. So here we go. So here we are. Now let's take this video as an example. So I'll just open the video. Okay, so we have opened this video. Now on the right hand side, you can see this option publish, and under publish there are options like publish to Twitch channel, publish to YouTube channel, and the third option is publish to Facebook page. So let's click here. Now the first step before you start off, you need to add a Facebook page. So let's click here. Continue as, okay. So you can see this page has been added. Okay. This is a one-time process for adding a particular page, Facebook page, to Fluvid. Now, for this particular video, you have to define the title, description, and tags. So let's just define. I just added something randomly. Okay, now the keywords. So select keywords to help people to find your video. So you can define your keywords like tags. Suppose if I just put blog. So I'll also get options through Fluvid. Suppose blogging. I'm just adding that randomly. So video, suppose video. And further, I can also select the tag category. Suppose I choose music and audio. So as per this category, I'll also get tag suggestions like acoustic music and all. So accordingly, I can add multiple tags like this. So let's further scroll down. Now the thumbnail option. This image will display when your video isn't auto-playing. So this particular thumbnail. Now, if you want to change the thumbnail, that is a video featured image, you can change from video setting on the right hand side. That is edit video. Editing tools, there is an option to change the thumbnail. This is the option. Okay, you can change it from here. So as of now, let's just keep as it is. Let's further go down. Okay, now tracking, and that is custom labels. Add labels to help you describe and search for your video. These labels are visible exclusively to page admins and only appear in insights data. So it's only for the page admins. This is for your internal insights analytics. So suppose you want to track on few labels, like suppose blog, then just put enter, then video. So by doing this, you can add multiple labels. Then universal ID. If your video has a unique code in another content management system, you can add it here. This won't affect your post. So if your video has been added in some CMS platform like WordPress or blogs, it has been embedded. This is something you can track from here. So let's just keep as it is. We're not adding anything. Now coming on publishing options. So choose how to publish your post. So publish now. Or you can save it as draft. So let's just publish it right now. Choose where your post will appear. So do you wish to allow this video to show up in other news feeds and on your page timeline? So it's yes already. Allow embedding. So select the option to allow. So suppose if you want to allow users to embed this particular video, if once it's published on Facebook, on the blogs or the WordPress blogs, on their websites. So if you want to allow, you just keep as it is, or if you don't want to allow, then you have to remove this option. Then further we have add as a secret video. It means secret videos are only available for embedding and for people who have the link. Okay, so that's clear. So we don't need to change. Then publish. So I have got the notification. Your video has been uploaded on Facebook. Let's just check if the video has been uploaded to my Facebook page. So let me go on to my Facebook page. So as you can see, the video has been uploaded on Facebook. And without downloading the video from Fluvid, I have directly uploaded this on my Facebook page. If you want to avail this amazing feature, then you have to switch to Pro plan. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Fluvid. And if you have any queries, just write to us on hello@fluvid.com. Thank you.